Hello everyone, I'm Rangadhanaji Maitripala and my registration number is EG2020-4062. In this video, I'm going to give brief explanation of how I completed the big data assignment one. So here is the assignment and first let me explain the requirements and the assignment asks us to do produce order messages using Kafka, use Avro serialization with the schema, consume those messages, and calculate the running average of the prices, implement retry logic for temporary failures, and finally, move permanently failed message into DLQ. So these are the main tasks we need to complete here. So let's move to the project. So, as required, I developed the order service producer. This service creates order messages and send them to Kafka. The messages must follow a specific approach schema. And here is the schema. Um, so, both producer and consumer must follow the same schema to message can be properly um, serialized and deserialized. So, the next, the order service consumer. It receives the messages produced by the producer, and inside the consumer, um, I added a small function to intentionally fail 10% of messages. I included that because of this. I mean, request us to show how failed messages are handle and move them to DLQ. So here's the function, and so the consumer tries Uh, so consumer tries to process messages and retries them up to 3 times, and when they still fails, they go to DLQ. So here is the logic for that. Then move to the Docker file. I For Kafka, I used version 3.8, so which is running the Kraft mode. So this means we do not need to use Zookeeper anymore because Kraft itself handle the Kafka coordination. So I also used schema registry. So because it is required to store and manage Avro schemas, this makes sure the producer and consumer always use the correct schema version. And additionally, I used Kafka UI Docker images, which is help to view topics, messages, and partitions and deal to data in the clear and structured way. So let's first we need to start Docker Compose setup. So I successfully started that. Uh, uh, we need after the service is start and running, we create the uh, required Kafka topics. So here I created order topics and order DLQ topics. So one of the topics is successful produced messages and other one is for the failed messages. So then I need to start producer and the consumer. You can clearly see the messages being produced, processed, and yeah, some of them are retried and some of the messages are being sent to DLQ. So from this script, we can also uh, see the DLQ messages in clear manner. So here is the DLQ messages. So let's move to the Kafka UI. Finally, this is the Kafka UI. Here we can visualize everything in uh, clear and well-structured user interface, including uh, topics, uh, partitions, and message details. So this is the order messages, and yeah, that brings us to the end of the explanation. And thank you for watching.